Now, in a previous video, I showed you guys how to add a single service page for your Amelia services to your WordPress website, where you have the single service, associated, everything with that single service associated on a single page. You can customize it. You can add stuff like facts, a gallery, a video, the images, custom images. But right here on this right side, we do have the Amelia shortcode for this single particular services. That way you don't have to always have to refer to this and people have to go through here. They can actually go here to a single service page to get more details and in-depth information. And then they can still go ahead and book here. Now, this was for the single service that I talked about in the previous video. If you missed it, I'll have it linked somewhere above so you can go and watch that. However, in today's video, I want to show you guys how to create this booking page right here. So if you created your Amelia services and you're wondering how to make this booking form sit somewhere on the front end of your website where people can actually go through the process of booking an appointment, a step-by-step process, then this video I'm going to show you how to do it. You can also do it with other stuff like packages or the events or even categories, and I'm going to show you kind of like how to do that in this video. So the first thing you need to do is create the pages. And this is going to be super important because when it comes to Amelia, the only thing you're doing is creating the page and dropping the shortcode on the page, since Amelia takes care of the hard work and the heavy lifting for you. So what we're going to be creating today is going to be that booking page. But as you see, I already have it created right here. But for you, if you don't have it created already, just go to add a page and you can title it whatever you want. You can have it book appointments, whatever you want it to be called. Go ahead and call it that, publish it, and open it up with Elementor. Since I already have mine right here, you see I have the booking page. I'm going to go ahead and open this with Elementor. Then it's going to open up, and of course you can have it designed however you want. For me, I always like to put some sort of page banner, so I just got me a little container here with a background image and the title that actually says book an appointment, which is what we can actually see right here on the live website. So the next thing you need to do is, like I said, all you need to do is to add in a shortcode. Now, where did I get this shortcode? Well, if you go to the description of this tutorial, you will see a link that says amelia.com/documentation/Amelia shortcodes. This is the page of shortcodes on the actual Amelia website, where you can add in all different types of shortcodes to your website's design. That way it showcases exactly what you want to show up on the live website. And it's going to be super important to make sure that you have on hand somewhere when it comes to editing out or designing your website. So this is what we're going to be using. So we want to do the step-by-step booking form. Remember, we want people to see this right here for booking an appointment. We want them to be able to select the service, go through picking a date and a time and checking out, etc., etc. Well, this right here is called the step-by-step booking form. So on the Amelia shortcodes, we're looking for this one right here, and we're going to look at all of the shortcodes they have listed here. Now, if you look at the description on the right side, you will kind of get an idea as to what each one of these shortcodes are, and they'll tell you. So for me, you will see that right now, what are we using? Let's go back to it. You see, we're just using the basic Amelia step-by-step booking, which is going to be this first one right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight that, copy it. And right, like I said, you can go through here and you can choose whichever one. So if you only want to show maybe an employee, maybe you want to make a custom page for your employee, you can do that. Or if you want to maybe just showcase a particular service or a particular category, then this is what you'll do. But to keep it simple for this tutorial, we just want to create the step-by-step booking where people can go through the entire process in steps to booking an appointment. So back on that page, all you need to do is go over here to the widgets tab and type in shortcode. And if you guys have been following around with the other videos in this playlist, then you know shortcodes is like the most important thing to Amelia. And once you drop in that shortcode, all you need to do is right here in this little box is just paste in that shortcode. As you see, I already have it here, so I don't have to worry about that. But you see I have it here. All I have to do now is go ahead and publish the page. And of course, that's how we get this page right here. There is our page with our step-by-step booking form right here. Now, let's just say you want to do another page. Maybe you want to do a page that shows a particular category, right, of services. So let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard where we're at the pages, all pages, and let's go ahead and create a new page. And this time we're going to put service categories. Just go ahead and publish the page. And once it's published, we're going to go ahead and edit it with Elementor. Now, once Elementor actually opens up, let's go back to our other page here. Let's go ahead and grab this page banner just so I don't have to remake that again. Go back, paste it, and all I'm going to do is in the title, I'm just going to change it to say service category. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and press publish for now. And let's go back to the Amelia shortcodes. And this time we're looking for the category booking form, which will be right here. Now, all we have to do is grab this shortcode right here, copy it. And as you see, it will display the full service and package catalog. Now, let's actually see what this looks like. And that's the beauty of it. If you don't know what exactly it's going to look like, just go through here, copy and paste them, publish the page, and see what you get. But I'm pretty sure this one is the one we're looking for. So let's go ahead and test it out by going back to the page. Again, what we need to do is go over to the widgets tab, type in shortcode, drop it in, and let's just go ahead and paste that shortcode right here. Another thing I want to do quickly is on this page, I just want to go over here to this style, and I do want to put in our color. So let's go here. I'm going to do this really quickly. There we go. I just needed that to match the overall page that we have on our website. So let's go ahead and click on publish. And now let's view this page. And now you see we show our service categories. Now we'll just go back to the Amelia. Let's go back down here to the catalogs area here. And remember earlier in this series, the first video actually, we created categories right here for all of our services. Right now we just have 2 categories, waxing and facials. And as you see, we have 3 services included in both of these, and we even color coded them purple and pink. That way we can distinguish the 2. And that's why it's important, like I was telling you in that first video, is that those color coordinations is just for you in the back end until you start doing things like this, which is putting it on a single page. So let's go back and view it. And as you see, it's right here. Now people can view all of your services. So just imagine if you had 10 different services, it'll be a list of 10 here, but we only have 2 for now. So people can come to this page, they can see all of your services. As we see, we got an image for the service, and we can see how many services are in those categories. And we even have this button to go ahead and view all. So if I click on this, then it'll open up this right here. Again, Amelia takes care of everything for you. Everything is already set up and made for you. All you have to do is put in those shortcodes. Now, obviously, there's some work in terms of making it match your branding. Like, I would definitely watch out my previous video where I showed you how to customize the forms or the shortcodes inside of Amelia. That way it can match your branding. We can go ahead and update these to make them match by turning the customization purple to the purple color. However, you see, once you actually click on, let's go back, once you actually click on a particular category, you say view all, and then now it will show you all of the services associated with this particular category. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can add different types of shortcodes in terms of the booking form. So this one here, just for the booking form. And if you want to get a little bit more fancier and you want to actually have the categories, you can do that as well. Again, be sure you guys go through with the link in the description box. You guys make sure you go through all of these different shortcodes. Just test them out in your free time and see what comes up and see how you can utilize them, because you can get really, really creative. If you guys want to check out the next video in this series, be sure your notification bell is turned on. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.